In this video I'm showing how to resolve an error message in Windows 7. I'm remoted into the workstation that's having the problem here, and if I hit Control Delete to sign in, you'll see that I get this error message that says the program can't start because MSVCR120.dll is missing from your computer. This is a pretty easy issue to fix, so I'll go ahead and show how to do that now. You can get past the error message by just hitting OK and then signing in like normal. Then open up a web browser and go out to the internet. Search for Visual C++ redistributable packages for Visual Studio 2013. I'm going to go ahead and use this first link from Microsoft.com here. Just scroll down until you see the download button. My computer is a 64-bit machine, so I'm going to go ahead and use the VC redist_x64 version here. And it's a pretty small download, so it should finish pretty fast. I'm going to go ahead and install it now. And just click on Run. I'll agree to the terms. Click Install. It's a pretty small installation, so it should go pretty fast. You can see here that it now says setup is successful. I'm going to go ahead and click close and then go ahead and close out of the web browser. And now if I try locking the computer, which did provoke the error message before, you can see it doesn't come up. And if I try signing in again, you can see it doesn't show up here either, which confirms that the issue is resolved. So that's it for this video. Hit like if this was helpful. Thanks for watching.